Here we will guide 5 exercises for mothers to express milk. For the first step, raise both hands, then put your right hand on your left thigh, then tilt to the right. This will help you get your body moving. The fetus will be happy. Do you continue to prevent and left hand on the right and leave to the left? Repeat constantly about 5 times each side. This will create a balance in your physique, because pregnancy usually you will store a certain amount of fat. When you're finished, relax by taking a deep breath and gently placing your hands on the sides of your thighs, and exhale. We will come with the second movement. This is difficult but will help you exercise your hip and back muscles. First, put your feet face down in a sitting position, and raise your hands up and take a deep breath. Then fold down and exhale. When you do so, your hip muscles will be trained, which is good for labor during labor. For the third movement, face down in a crawling position. Raise your right hand, and raise your left leg up to your side for about 2 to 3 seconds. Then lower it, and lower your head slightly, and take a deep breath. And do this 5 times continuously. It will help you feel lighter when faced with stress. With the fourth movement, lie on your back and bend your legs up, straighten your feet, and bring your feet together. Direct them to the left, stretch once, then turn them to the right, stretch once. Take it easy and be gentle. This will help you have a strong butt, which will be good for later labor. The fifth movement is also very simple. In the supine position of the fourth movement, use the strength of your legs and shoulders to push your body into the air for about 3 seconds. And repeat this action 10 times. Just like that, gently up and down and then up 10 times. This action works to make the muscles in your motor zone stronger and firmer.